Okay, so a common question we get in the clinic is one of our treatments that or two of our treatments that we do is rigid taping and kinesio taping. So rigid taping is pretty simple. It's the old school taping where you would use it to stabilize a joint or help with stability. For example, someone that has low back pain, you might tape across the lumbar spine to actually hold them in position to reduce movement. So that's our old original rigid tape. So rigid tape means it doesn't move and it's rigid. And that's pretty simple. So you'd also use it, for example, on ankles or wrists that are unstable. Say, for example, you've had an ankle sprain or something like that, playing basketball or footy. That's what we'd use to tape that up with. And then the other one is kinesio taping. So kinesio taping is a little bit different. It's a specialized tape that when you take the backing off, it stretches to about 140% of its shape. We use this to help promote healing within a muscle, to help reduce inflammation. So we can use it for things like lymphedema or swelling, and we can put it over certain muscle groups to activate or inhibit that muscle. We use it a lot, for example, with tennis elbow, where we tape down the actual elbow to help reduce the inflammation around there. It helps lift the skin, promote healing, increase blood flow to the area. So it's a tape that we use when we want to keep movement happening in a controlled manner to allow optimal healing. And then, for example, with hematomas or bruises, we can use it and cut it in certain ways, sometimes like in a cross fiber pattern, and again that will lift the skin and actually help reduce the hematoma, and usually in nearly all cases increase the healing time. It's painless, it sticks directly onto the skin, it's hypoallergenic. You can use it when you're training, you can use it during an activity. It stays on the footy field, and it's waterproof. So it's great for patients when they leave the clinic to actually use it as a therapy when we're not there. So that's kinesio taping.